God bless you for tuning in. What's up, everyone? You're welcome to Overworks. So, as you well know, I talk about testnet, and what a great time to be in the Web3 space as we have the opportunity to start interacting on the Zenchain Testnet, which is fully live. To set up the whole thing from creating your wallet to joining the waitlist, from joining the waitlist to completing the task on Zen Quest IO, from completing the task to claiming your faucets, from claiming your faucets to staking, which is like the major task for the entire testnet period. And this project, they are going live the first quarter of 2025. So do all you can to climb up the leaderboard as fast as you can, so that when the airdrops happen, you will be in the best place to claim more. So a brief about Zenchain. First, they are built by the Unizen Ecosystem, right? And it's the first fully decentralized and EVM compatible Bitcoin layer 1 solution, leveraging Bitcoin's network for secure cross-chain interactions, enhancing both Bitcoin and Ethereum ecosystems. This is nice, but what we care about is to start interacting on the test nets, as you see here, because that allows you to be a part of the early adopters reward. And you know, these things can make life changing rewards. So first of all, back in, I think, October. So here is my official Twitter. Do well to follow me on X. I put out my thoughts as well. So 24th of October, I tweeted out the Zenchain project, which I actually researched, and I started interacting, and I joined the Discord when the Discord was over, like, what, 500 members, and right now it's doing over 20,000 members and climbing. So a brief about them: it will cost you 3 minutes, and of course $0, and they've raised 203 million. And I need to add here that the ZCX token, which is like the native token for the Zenchain project, is currently traded on BitGet. You can look that up. Okay, you can look that up. Now, some of the few things you need to know is, in order to be a part of this testnet, you need to have your Discord account, you need to have X account, and then you need to have Telegram. So on Discord, again, as a way of coming in, I have actually received the early adopters reward. So if I come here and I leave a message, for instance, as you can see, this is my name, real time, you would see that my name is in red. So names that are in red, these guys are the ones with the OG role, and the OG role means that we came in early, we've been fully active in the project, and that's how we got this role. And there are a couple of other roles as well. I'm going to walk you through how to be a part of these informations and some of the things you should pay attention to. Right now, there are other roles being released, and these roles have perks attached to them when it's time for the airdrop, right? So that said, another thing is, if you check Overworks, guys, if you have not subscribed to Overworks yet, please go ahead and do that. Subscribe to Overworks, turn on the bell notifications, because we talk about testnets, airdrop, trading activities, and lots of exciting information on here. So I also tweeted about it. I made a thread about it on Overworks as well. So whether you're following me on X, whether you're following me on Overworks, on YouTube, you would always get these informations that I put out. So the first thing you want to do is, when you go to this website, zenchain.io, link in the description as well, click on the join button. And when you click on the join button, it's going to take you to the waitlist section. Okay, so when you join the waitlist section, there are a couple of basic tasks you need to do. Click on the get access button, and here you're going to submit your email. And I'll just click on the copy icon right here, and I'll paste it right here. So when we initially started interacting with this project, a couple of things weren't really structured out really well. Like, it was breaking at first, but then as time goes on, the team kept working and they made this feature available. So this is like the first step for you. You need to provide your email, then you need to provide your wallet address, which is an EVM compatible wallet address. Recommended is use your MetaMask. So I'm going to wait for this to completely load up, and when it's done loading, Okay, thankfully we're done with that, so we'll click the submit button and boom, we're in. So I'm going to switch over to my mail and just confirm from my mail that I have actually gotten the email. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to come to the zenquest.zenchain.io, again, link in the description. And when you come on here, there are some social quests you need to do, stuff like connecting your Twitter, connecting your Discord, connecting your Telegram, connecting your X. Sorry, edit your username, connect your Discord, connect Telegram, connect X. And then there's one more, and that will be to join the Zenchain Discord channel. So if you do all of this, all social tasks, you get 50 XPs, and multiply that by 5, that's like what, 250 XPs in total. So the next thing is to connect our MetaMask wallet. Just give it some time to fetch MetaMask. So here is MetaMask, and MetaMask should detect this incoming request so we can authorize. All right, cool. So I'll click on the connect button and we have successfully connected. So the next thing to do is to sign the message again on MetaMask. This again should prompt up MetaMask. Okay, so now we're in. You saw that we've created the wallet. We created the MetaMask wallet, went through the process of joining the waitlist by clicking on this button, link in the description, and then I showed you guys the Discord server. Another thing I have gone ahead to do is, now this is my official account. Oh, this guy is asking for USDT. Okay, let me attend to my people first on YouTube, and then we'll sort that out later. Let me just switch to this account on Discord because I'm going to be doing everything live so you can see all of the steps. Again, my recommended wallet for you to use is MetaMask. You don't have to be limited if you don't have a PC or a system. You can actually use your Android or iOS devices. All you have to do is just install the MetaMask on your phone and then get these links from this video in the description and just paste them in the browser of your MetaMask wallet, your Web3 wallet. And in there on the wallet, you can do the connections, you can do everything. It's absolutely seamless. You don't have to leave the MetaMask. So here's Discord, and then of course for X, thankfully I have another account. I'll just switch to that account now. So here we are in the account we're going to be using, and this is like my backup Twitter account, right? And now we're ready to go. So let's go back now to the zenquests.io. So now we've already connected the wallet. You can see it ends in 1241. So if I open MetaMask here just to verify what we have should be the same thing as this address here. If everything was done right, that's what you should have as well. All right, awesome. So the last digits are 1241. Great, that's what we have. So now you can see we have 0 XP. So the first thing to do is connect to Discord. So click on this one right here, then we'll click on complete, and that should take us to the Discord pane. Okay, so let me just redo this again. For some reason it's not responding and I don't know why. So let me just reauthorize. Okay, so finally we have Discord done, and you can see 50 XPs here. So let's go ahead and connect X again. It didn't go through, so I'm gonna try again. What is happening? Anyway, my suspicion would be the reason why X isn't going through is because this current X account is like really small, under 20 followers, compared to my other account, which is like big. So I'm going to authorize again. And see if it works. The major reason why I needed to connect like my X account is because when you're claiming the daily faucet, if you post the proof of your claim on X, you get an extra 1,000 faucets test tokens, right? You get extra 1,000, but if you don't, you get flat 1,000. So if X doesn't work for me, that's fine. I'll just forget about it and just move on to the next phase of this video, which is now claiming the faucets and doing the stake. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix the problem of not getting enough rewards. I have what I need already. So let me just go over to so I have pasted my address here, and I don't really care about this. This is for optional bonus, which is an extra bonus of 1,000 faucets. So let me click on receive. Okay, there seems to be a captcha issue here. I'll just refresh the page. Let me refresh the page, because without the faucets you can't complete the activity, and the activity is for you to stake, and you're staking over in the Zenchain node station. Okay, so we're done loading. Not you. Here, paste it and receive. We hope it goes through. We hope it's successful. So we have the 1,000 test tokens. Now the next thing is to head over to the node station, as you can see. So head over to node station, again, link in the description of this video. I'm going to switch from my main wallet to my sub test wallet. Let me just refresh this page, and that will be like the beat and all of this video. So once I refresh the page, remember the mistake is, if you want to stake the test tokens, you have to use the option of optimal rewards, because the optimal rewards gives you more benefits, more returns. So on my main wallet, these are like my stake history. This is what I've done so far, 40,000 test tokens that I've done so far. I'll just click here and I'll disconnect this wallet, and then I'll connect a new wallet from MetaMask, of course, and that should fire up MetaMask, requesting for a connection and the sign-in request. Okay, account 3, that's fine. Click on connect, and this should connect to us, and we should see the 1,000 ZCX. Okay, one more authorization to do. We have the 1,000 ZCX tokens, and I'll click on confirm, and that should finalize everything. Now we have it here. So two ways to go about it is you can click on the staking button right here. You can click on manage. If you click on staking, which is active, we would be greeted with this option. And if I click on stake, so if I click on stake, and of course I want it to compound and continue, I just click on continue now. This option, ensure you're using the optimal selection option, because this is the one that gives you more staking rewards. So when you do this, you click on continue, and then you can fill in the number of tokens you want. I'll just click on max everything, and I'll click on continue. So this is the payout destination. It's compounding, so it's going to be like rotating the funds within the wallet, and the number of nominators for the optimal selection that I choose is 16 validators, which is fine. The staking amount is 999.95 ZCX tokens, and these are all of like the particulars. If you want to review, you can. I'll just click on start staking. This is like the first staking I'm doing on this wallet, not my main wallet. And I'm just going to be repeating this every 24 hours. Every 24 hours you repeat this. You can do for as many wallets as you want, but for every wallet you connect, ensure that you have a Discord account for that wallet, so that you can max out the benefits of each account as much as you can. So click on confirm, and we have successfully staked. Congratulations. Now we have that done. So again, this is very technical. If you do not understand any aspect of this, I would recommend you highly watch the video again. It will give you a background understanding of how to set up the whole thing, from creating your wallet to joining the waitlist, from joining the waitlist to completing the task on Zen Quests IO, from completing the task to claiming your faucets, from claiming your faucets to staking, which is like the major task for the entire testnet period. And this project, they are going live the first quarter of 2025, so do all you can to climb up the leaderboard as fast as you can, so that when the airdrops happen, you will be in the best place to claim more. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please do not leave without subscribing to Overworks, without turning on the bell notifications, and of course give me a follow up on X, because I talk about these things on the X blockchain space, the testnets, which is like my main focus in the blockchain engineering sector. I like talking about testnets. I like talking about airdrops. I enjoy these technical conversations, and I make it a part of my life's mission to break down the complexities, to give you the tiniest of understanding to the best of my abilities. And that's the same thing as well for my YouTube channel. That's what I do. So this is what we are. This is what we do. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about gradient project. You do not want to miss that. I'll see you guys in the next one.